Struggling to find the perfect sequence of service for your hotel restaurant buffet? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a sequence of service that's both efficient and effective. Learn the best practices for optimizing your buffet's speed and quality of service so you can provide a memorable dining experience for your guests. Division: Food and Beverage. Department: F&B Hotel. Category: Sequence of Service. Positions: All F&B team member. Task: Sequence of Service buffet lunch and dinner. Approved by, fill with the name of recent F&B manager. Objectives: A 1-2-3 sequence of service buffet lunch and dinner. Your hotel brand standard. Importance and interest: To communicate professionally and courteously with the guest. How would you feel if you returned to the restaurant and the procedures were different each time? Need: Having command of the sequence of service will free your mind to pleasantly interact with your guests and save your time. Now, let's see the step-by-step of the standard and breakdown. Greeter: Standing on the greeter station on two sides of the restaurant entrances. Greeter is first person to meet the guest and must be alert at the entrance. Greeter: Greet the guest with standard sentence and smile, maintain eye contact. Supervisor greets the guest with a warm smile, maintain eye contact. The supervisor in charge approaches the guest and asks for the preferences, etc., and seat the guest and introduce the guest to the waiter or waitress. Good evening, Mr. or Mrs. Welcome at outlet name. How was your flight, trip, etc.? Waiter or waitress quickly approaches the table, greet the guest at the table. You should approach the table within 30 seconds. Assisting guest and inform about the buffet. Table setup according to the standards, see SOP. Check if some guest wants to eat a la carte, then follow a la carte SOP. Always remove dirty plates when a guest goes to the buffet. Ensure that the guest will always have cutlery on the table and never sits in front of a dirty plate when returning from the buffet. On request, assist the guest with a black pepper mill. Check on the satisfaction of the buffet. Check, serve and upsell additional beverages if needed. If the guest is satisfied and does not order any more drinks but has an empty glass in front of him, do not remove the glass. Guests should always have a glass or cup in front of him or her. If guest request, present the check-in bill folder together with the comment card. Use standard sentence, use name if known, for example credit card. Observe guest and accept the payment and enter change. Thank the guest, bid farewell. Get as well feedback from the guest and inform about special events to happen. Guide the guest to the entrance. Bid farewell. This also be done by hostess and greeter. Bid farewell and wish the guest welcome back. Always check. Be attentive and always create an experience for your guests. Never feel tired to make another step. Always have enough mise en place on chinawares, glasswares, and cutleries. Well, I guess you can get the picture of the buffet sequence now. You can get the link to download the sequence of service file in the description below. You can edit to adjust the detail if necessary. Hopefully this video is useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to appreciate. Thank you for watching this video. Greetings from the hospitality world.